To get started, we're going to click Create API, select the API Builder option, and name and describe our API. As mentioned before, we're going to be building an API that fetches inventory and pricing data to share externally with our partners. Once we get into the graphical interface, we are going to be configuring the API request, setting the HTTP method, the relative URI, as well as the path and query parameters that will be necessary to execute on this API call. What's cool is on the right-hand side, we can actually preview the HTTP request and the output right from within here. At any point, you can also download and share an open API spec, OAS spec, with your design partners so they can start building around this. We're going to add NetSuite as a lookup step. We'll be looking up inventory information, so similar to a flow step in I/O. We're going to first name our step. Next, we're going to set the connection, select the appropriate record type, as well as the appropriate saved search. And just like in our core platform, we have transformation and mapping capabilities here. So we can map the lookup responses in NetSuite to our source record fields. Finally, we're going to be mapping our success and error responses. You have a lot of flexibility here, and you can define exactly what you want your response types to be. And typically, we would do some testing here, but for the purposes of this example, we will go right into our Resources tab and show you how to expose this API to API management so you can secure, socialize, and monitor that API and feel confident about sharing it externally. So you can set the context path, set the HTTP method, and fill in the endpoint here. And it's as simple as hitting push to APIM. And just like that, this API will appear in API management where you can apply policies and publish it to a portal and monitor it.